Hello and welcome back for another Fetch AI price prediction update. And in this video, I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And you can see that after seeing our massive crash on the 10th of June, in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.1728 mark, we started this nice recovery to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where we first peaked in that first wave to the upside, giving us a high at around the $0.2537 mark. Then afterwards, we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, whose minimum target areas I highlighted on the charts using this blue target area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618, which is an area between the $0.223 mark and the $0.2 mark, which is an area that we have managed to get into, and there are chances that the low for this second wave is now in, and Fetch AI is now ready for another massive pump to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a minimum target area at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.3472 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Fetch AI to do in the formation of that wave 3. So there are high chances that in case we continue gearing up here on the Fetch AI chart, we first need to see a break above the key area of resistance at around the $0.25 mark. A break above that, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and see a break above our next key areas of resistances before we can fully maximize the Fib level 1.618 at around the $0.3478 mark. Once that is fully maximized, then we can expect a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of that wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5, and that move to the upper side, once it's complete, that will be completing an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side in what we can term as a larger Elliot wave count 1. Then from that point, we can expect a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 in a move that should play out in an ABC corrective structure. Alternatively, in case we don't see that breakout to the upper side, giving us a break above key areas of resistances, that is at around the $0.25 mark, and the start of that impulse in the formation of that wave 5, and we continue heading further down, then we can expect a bit of a breakdown move, fully maximizing our blue target area in the formation of this wave 2, within which we can expect the turnaround once the low is in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term point of view. And zooming out to give you my long-term point of view here on the Fetch AI chart, you can see that after seeing our November lows, we started a 5-wave structure to the upside, where we peaked in the formation of that wave 5, giving us a high at around the $0.6 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 in a move that has now fully maximized minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And since we have fully maximized that target area and there are high chances that the low is in, then I believe that Fetch AI is now ready for a massive pump in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area at the Fib level 1.618, and that is above the $1 mark. and that is the minimum that we can expect that third wave to the upper side to do. So that is my price analysis here on the Fetch AI chart. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 57 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a massive decrease in the selling pressure, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bullish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.